Okay, so what have you got?
A box.
What's in the box?
A bag.
What's in the bag?
Something.
Open it. Hurry. Don't keep us waiting. Oh, let's see who we got.
It's Dr. Doom.
Oh, cool. Turn him around. I don't see him. Cool. So you a bad guy?
Yes, he's the bad guy.
Who does he fight?
He fights around Red Hulk in the Hulk movie.